Yeah. This is better for the vlog. We made it, man. We're here now. We're carrying all her stuff.
I'm carrying this relationship, boy. So we're gonna get ready. Do the intro as I do my hair. The fit, I got it from H&M. It's a skirt. It's like a new style I'm trying. My boyfriend like passed it on the mannequin. He was like, ooh, that look good on you, because I'm used to like a tank top, long skirt girl. Today we are going to go yarn shopping in Italy. I'm currently in Milan. I didn't bring any yarn because I was like, I don't want to take up room in my suitcase in case I want to buy stuff. Braid out low-key cute. But in case I want to buy stuff, literally probably over like 100 skeins of yarn at home that are not being used. Honestly, not all of it's my fault because I got yarn from like if my dad sees it from like on Facebook or something, he'll get it for me, and then my nana also gives me a lot of yarn. But I don't know what to do with these shades, and there's all different skeins. But then I've also bought so much because Joann's was closing, and I just have so much yarn. But like that's not the point of this video either, because I have so much yarn in the United States, but I don't have so much yarn in Italy. So that just means I need to go yarn shopping, because on this channel, it's actually illegal to not have yarn. And there's this top that I wore. I'm gonna add some pictures, and I really wanna recreate it, and I low-key want it to be the first pattern that I make for Belle's Crates. I think I'll do a video for the top, and then I'll do a video for my first opening my crochet pattern business. But for opening my crochet business, I wore the top and I was like, oh, I really want to make a crochet version of this, and I feel like I know how to do it. So I'm gonna try to recreate the top that I wore, and I need yarn to do that. And I feel like getting yarn in Italy is just like such a crochet bucket list. That's the plan for today. We're going to go yarn shopping in Milan. I think it's like a 30-minute walk, but I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna do my hair and then do my makeup. Now we're all ready to go. I'm gonna show my boyfriend gets ready. He's in the bed. So cute. We're gonna walk. It's like a 30-minute walk. Very excited. Some of us are excited. Some of us aren't yarn enthusiasts. He's trying out the scarf today.
We're going to see the Last Supper painting.
A lot of time has passed since I actually bought the yarn, but it was so cute in there. I didn't get too much because, like I said, I really only wanted it for one project, but it was so nice. I actually was so happy, and the lady in there was so sweet and I loved her. But we ended up going to the Last Supper, and then we got food and just had been out all day, so I finally can settle down and show you guys the yarn I got. It's such a pretty color.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, sure you are. Bag's a little crinkled, it's been through a lot, but Lennar, so pretty. Guys?
Shut them up again. Put it in the camera. Yeah.
It's backwards. Guys, like. Anyways. I got this color. Isn't it so pretty? Like, it's like a mermaid. I just love it. I got, let's see, 2, 3. This is getting hard to carry. 4. This is how I was walking around the store. I was like, can you please get this for me? And 5. But this color is so pretty, and I think the top is going to come out really cute. But I also have so much pressure because I have to get it right the first time. Not really. I guess I could frog it if I need to. But it's just so nice. And does it say what kind it is? Probably in Italian. Yeah, I think it's 100% cotton. Egiziano Gassato Mercerizzato. So I'm guessing 100% cotton something. I don't know. And then I also got a 3.5 millimeter hook. And so now I'm gonna crochet the top. But I just love it. It's always so pretty. Meanwhile, we did the whole video just to get this, but it was so worth it. My boyfriend was even saying when we travel more, hopefully in the future, hint, 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 that each time we go to a yarn store. Who knows? I'll have to do some research. He even found this one for me, but it's just so cute. Like, I literally love it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little yarn Italy vlog. I've been having so much fun. I have not been crocheting that much, but trust me, big plans in my head, big plans. But yeah, I just thought it was so cool, and I love knowing that it's like a self-centered American thing, but just knowing that there's literally crochet and yarn all over the world, and I literally love this hobby with all my heart. It's not a hobby, it's literally a lifestyle at this point. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.